Villafrance-sur-Mer.
Driving that should have taken us a couple hours, 3 hours max. Oh, it took us twice as long. There was construction. And then when I finally got into town, the streets are so tiny that I kept missing my turns. And if you miss your turn, it sends you out of your way by like 10-15 minutes. Brutal. As you can see, the sun is practically set. It was rough. But we're settling on Mickey D's, and we ended up at a place that also has a grocery store. Let's go. This is our number, CB, or CB Nerf Nerf. You said that?
CB Nerf Nerf, I think.
They've been taking French, but it ain't Frenchin' right now. Waiting for our food. Apparently you have to wait outside and they bring it to you. What an adventure. We are in Villafranche, France. We're about 15 minutes from our place. We haven't even checked in yet. It was a whole hot mess driving here. There was tons of construction on the highway that set us back hours. It was crawling. And then we sat at the airport because we sat down to have snacks and stuff. We sat there almost an hour. And as we were leaving, they were like, oh, we have our car seat, because they didn't, at first they only had the 2 pieces of luggage. Anyway, I won't make this long. We're also, we picked up some McDonald's to have a bite to eat. And now we're gonna run over to the grocery store that's down the hall, like down the parking lot here. And then we're gonna go check in because mama needs a break. Crazy, crazy day. Love y'all.
Rotate.
What a day. What a day.
It says little box welcome packs. A sponge, garbage bags. Ooh, some soap, what is
Dishwashing
soap, and that's all. These things will be kind of helpful around here.
I thought it was gonna be some yummy treats.
Yeah, same. And here's a mini fridge. We have some Frosties. Hey guys. Can I take? And by the way, this video is not sponsored. We have Frosted Flakes. At least they call them Frosties in France.
Okay.
It tastes like
the Zucaritas in Colombia.
Nice.
Yeah. So guys, there used to be these Frosted Flakes in Colombia, and they would call it Zucaritas. Yummy. It's good. Tastes like the ones in Colombia. Yummy in my tummy.
Day 2, and I might be even wearing the same shirt. Struggleville. We're at the Nice airport hoping to find a converter. If not, there's a mall that's 10 minutes away that I plan to go to as well. And hopefully we can, I hope I can find it here, but I'm praying that I don't have to go to the mall to look for that. I just need to be able to charge. It's been a struggle to have charge and edit and do anything that I had planned. This first week, it's been a struggle. It's not going according to plan. So this vlog is probably going to be all over the place, but let's push on. Struggles.
Finally!
No more struggle. No more struggle. They have my suitcase in pink. I want the pink. It's so pretty. Oh, that one's not it, honey. This one. So I have this one and that one. I love it in pink and burgundy. It's so pretty. The brand is called
Delzy Paris.
We'll get some before we go.
And it's in water.
Some cucumbers. They have everything in here. We are in downtown Nice. We're gonna do a bit of shopping. We navigated our way over here, so I'm excited to see if we can find something good and some groceries to take back with us. I saw a small fruit stand back there, so that would be helpful. Get some broccoli at the very least. All right, so we reached the shopping area. Let's check it out. This is the mall proper. Love that in France you get to see a lot of Black people featured in ads, unlike America. I was looking for the mall and I knew it was over here, so we just walked. Let's check it out, see if I can find some cute dresses. Here comes the crunch. You're liking this store, huh? All the way down there.
Villafrance-sur-Mer.
Another grocery haul. So I actually had to get these veggies and these grapes from that fruit stand because the veggies in the market looked so bad and that store was really inexpensive. Let me show you what I got. It only cost me 11 euros. So I got these cookies, marshmallow, I got pasta, bread, milk, and this is a good amount of milk, sugar, paper towel, water. All of that only cost me 11 euros, which is so nice. I think the other ones, the other groceries that I got, I don't know if I'm going to do a vlog of that. I did a short, which will be posted here. But I did a different grocery run, and I think that cost me 50 euros. So that was a really good deal at Lidl, I think it's called. And I'm happy with what we got. And I couldn't get as much as I wanted because I had to carry those things back to the car. And the car was parked a block and a half away. So I really wanted to load up on water and milk, especially since that milk doesn't need to be refrigerated. But I got what I could, and it should hold us for 2 or 3 days. I plan to go back to a grocery store, and I'm trying to decide if I want to head back to Italy or if we want to stay in France. My son and I really like France a lot. I haven't decided. We're going to decide tonight, and I'm going to make some plans because I hadn't even booked anything. But right now, we're getting ready to walk over to the beach and watch the sunset. Then we'll head back here, shower, chill out for the night, and finish booking the rest of the stay. So I brought bathing suits because I feel like when we get here, someone's gonna want to get in.
So the train tracks are over there.
I can see the beach straight through there. My son is in heaven. There's trains that run along the beach.
Wow, we can play in the water.
So we made it over to this beautiful beach. I'm gonna watch the sunset behind me. Where is it? It's over there. And it is. I'm gonna watch the sunset with the rascals, and they're gonna play, of course, until they're freezing like popsicles. And then we have just a 4-minute walk back up the hill. So this is perfect. It's a little head floating toward me.
Hey guys, now Crunchy's holding it. This dam, Naila and I built took about an hour. Right. And I'm bringing a souvenir from France. And it's dirty. Yes. So this is a dam. Pick up this rock, toss it in there. Took about an hour to make. So when it rains in the sky, the water, oh my, Mom, look up, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So when the water falls from the sky, the water will end up here and just not go into the ocean. See? We did not make these rocks. We made this dam, but we didn't make that. I think that was already there.
All the videos.
That's where we're headed, right up there.
Great spot to train spot.
Now this is what I remember butter tasting like as a kid. This is so good. This is garlic powder, butter, salt. Dinner is served. First of all, look, just look at me. I've been through it. I did my nails before I left, and this is what's left of them, okay? I should have gotten my gel put on, or I've done gel, but I just could not squeeze it in. I was like, my polish will hold me down until I can have a seat and do them again. This is where I'm at. So that's the Sways. She's sitting here watching videos. So
Chick hatching videos.
So now we're gonna relax. She's gonna go to sleepy, and mommy's gonna do some editing. We are headed out tomorrow. I want to try and check out Ez. It's a small hill town that's not too far away. Of course, I'll be bringing you along, so you will soon see.